welcome back to episode 2 of season 2 of Yaadon Ki Almari. And this episode is one of my personal favorites. Why? Because this episode is about one of my most memorable incidents of college, and that is cue drum roll, prom night. Yes, prom night it is. So इस वीडियो में मैं आपको मेरे फर्स्ट और लास्ट प्रॉम नाइट के बारे में बताने वाली हूँ. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So, before taking you to the actual videos of prom night, I am going to, as usual, give you a thoda sa lamba chauda preamble because the videos that I have are mostly after prom and not during prom as such, because we were having fun and enjoying the moment rather than, capturing videos. Utna yaad bhi nahi tha tabhi while it was going on. Like ek छोटा सा snippet है from the prom itself, but the majority of this video is actually after prom scenes. So let me just give you a quick preamble. Since the time I started my first year in college, prom was always in my mind. It was one of the most fascinating things because no one can deny it. All of us have grown up watching these teenage fiction and teenage drama kind of shows in which prom is a big deal. So I always had in mind what my college prom will be like and whether I'll be able to go for it ever and what the experience will be. And बहुत सारे सवाल थे. First year से ही जाने का मन था, but hashtag growing up in a strict Indian household, that never happened till second year actually. A lot of my friends used to go and used to tell me about their experiences, etc. And I had decided कि मुझे एक बार तो जाना ही है. So since it was third year, our whole girl gang decided कि all of us will go to prom because of course last year है college का and इतना तो बनता है. So preparations and all were in full swing. साल के फर्स्ट डे से ही हमने डिसाइड किया था कि हम प्रॉम के लिए जाएंगे. एंड एज इट वॉज नियरिंग, एज प्रॉम वॉज नियरिंग, द एक्साइटमेंट स्टार्टेड राइजिंग. फाइनली डेट्स अनाउंस हो गए प्रॉम के. द इन्विटेशन कार्ड्स एट्सेट्रा छप गए एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट स्टार्टेड. एंड देन वॉज द अग्नि परीक्षा, क्योंकि घर पे मॉम डैड को कन्विंस करना था. सो if you are someone who has grown up in a strict Indian household, you know what it is like with all of these party scenes and prom scenes and all of this. So I was sure that ऐसे मम्मी पापा नहीं मानने वाले. तो मैंने क्या किया, I created a PPT. Yes, you heard that right. ये सब सिर्फ वीडियोस में नहीं होता है and ये सब सिर्फ इंटरनेट तक सीमित नहीं है. I actually created a PPT. Let's preview the PPT a bit. सो दैट वॉज द टाइटल ऑफ माई पीपीटी. एंड अराउंड 9-10 स्लाइड का एक पीपीटी था जो मैंने मम्मी पापा को बिठा के वो पीपीटी दिखाई. तो मजाक मजाक में सब चल पड़ा. इट वॉज ऑल फन एंड गेम्स टिल इट सीम्ड लाइक अ वेरी नॉवल आइडिया कि शी इज शोइंग समथिंग ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन, वॉट इज दिस अबाउट. बट द एक्चुअल स्केयर केम व्हेन आई हैड टू आस्क देम वेदर आई कैन गो. काफ़ी जद्दोजहद करने के बाद dad actually agreed. Abba मान गए. He did. And it was so exciting because all of us were finally going to go for prom. I was a little upset because I had actually thought ki, the typical way in which prom is shown, that you go there with a partner. So I thought maybe if I could ask some of my guy friends or something of that sort, it would be nice. But then nonetheless, चलो जाने की तो permission मिली थी. So all set. Then हमारे फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स खत्म हो गए. दिवाली वेकेशंस आ गए. दिवाली वेकेशंस में some things went seriously wrong at home and I decided to cancel. And एकदम in a fit of rage I'm like, मैं नहीं जा रही prom, cancel कर दो. And I literally contacted the organizers about the refund and cancelling my booking, etc. and वो हो गया. Can you believe it? My booking was cancelled. फिर life went on as usual. I told my friends. They kind of tried to persuade me, but nothing really worked out. And so college reopen हो गया. Things were going on as usual. And as soon as college reopened after Diwali vacation, there was only one thing that everybody on this earth wanted to talk about, and that was prom. Everybody was talking about what dress you're wearing to prom, whom you're going to prom with, kaisi taiyariyan chal rahi hai, what this, what that. And the worst part was when they started asking me what I was wearing to prom and what plans I had. And I told them that I'm not going. And some of them were like, what, Jidya, you're not coming for prom? And I was like, nahi, mera to fixed, matlab resolve hai, main nahi ja rahi, this and that. And literally the whole world was going to prom. ऐसा ही लग रहा था. And because everybody in the world was talking only about prom, मुझे होने लगा FOMO. Yes, मुझे actual में इतना कड़क वाला FOMO हो रहा था that everybody is going and I am not. मेरी ही बेवकूफ़ी की वजह से it was not a good feeling. And फिर मुझे realization हुआ just like 4 days before prom that if I don't go this year, it's going to be one of the biggest regrets of my life. क्योंकि last year है college का and I had never been to prom before, college prom before that. So then what I did is I thought I should give it a try once again. And मैंने घर पे बात की. Initially some sort of resistance, but then finally हाँ हो गई. अभी तक श्योरिटी इस बात की नहीं थी कि मुझे बुकिंग मिलने वाली है कि नहीं, बिकॉज आई हैड ऑलरेडी कैंसल्ड इट एंड देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ बुकिंग्स दैट ईयर. सो I thought ki chalo, let's give it a go, and I went out for shopping my prom dress one day before prom. One day before prom I went out for shopping. So this was a little bit of a preamble. And another exciting thing that happened was that I also got shortlisted for prom queen. That was like, oh my god, a big deal, because एक तो मेरा जाना श्योर नहीं था, उसके ऊपर some friend came and told me that I was shortlisted for prom queen. I'm like, हाँ मैं, and it was amazing. So without much further ado, oh my god, this has just been too long. Thank you for listening so far, and now let's get straight to one of the videos I shot during prom. Let's go. That was some craziness during prom. Now let's see what happened after prom. Hey there, I am in the train, like you can see, going back from prom, which is why I'm wearing this very glittery dress. I had to do a lot of jaddo-jahad to get myself into prom, and because of this woman, I'll give you the password. Wait, not on camera. And I wonder why this happens, but I look much fresher now that I'm going back home than I looked in the prom. In prom I was looking so tired. Hey. And this is the train, which is almost empty. And believe me, it's literally going to be 12 o'clock in the night. This is like the first time I'm going back home alone. Akhila, what do you have to say? How was your prom?
The prom was amazing and I'm gonna so get killed by my parents.
Lol. So the thing was that my dad wanted me to come back with this one, and this one's mom wanted her to come back early, but her early meant 10:30 and I didn't want to leave before 11:45.
Can I ask you something? For what you're recording this?
Just like that, as a memory. Maybe I'll compile it later when I make my TY.
So do you have a whole compilation
Yes,
of all the
I'm gonna
videos?
make
I
it at
thought
the
so. It's like a movie.
Yeah, I'm going to make it at the end of TY. So yeah, I was waiting because the prom queen was going to be announced, and like I was shortlisted and people said they voted for me, so I was kind of hopeful, and they said at 10
पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल
और पल पल करते करते 10 मिनट 15
पल हर पल
40 मिनट बीत गया और उन्होंने अनाउंस नहीं किया, तो मैं अभी घर जा रही हूँ. मैं मच्छी है हलचल, क्योंकि मम्मी पापा डांटेंगे. Okay, so ठीक है, I need to give Akhila my password. My eyeshadow looks amazing. Yeah, why didn't it look like that when I was in prom? So yeah, I'm going home now, and you can see the nazara, and you can see a police auntie sitting there who very kindly gave me a bottle of water because I'm thirsty. So yeah, I'm wasting too much of memory now. Not my head ka, my phone ka. So okay, I'll see you later. Bye. And okay, just so people don't panic, I'm sitting on the ulte side ka window, so I don't get the direct hawa. So daddy, relax. So bye. Good night. Hey yo, so it's 1 o'clock in the night, and I've literally just shut the gate behind me, and Watchman Uncle, as you can see, is fast asleep. And I am walking inside my building. Like I was mentioning in the previous snippet, Akila's dad dropped me home, which was very, very kind of him. And there are some people around, and the building seems very shady, even though it's my own building. But okay, can you see me? I look as bomb as ever. Oh shit, I've gone mad. So before my parents start panicking, I'll just go up maybe. And this is my building, and I can see Thapa uncle is in his cabin, who's very much wide awake. This is actually like the first time I'm coming home so late. Akele wo bhi. Like usually when I come home from parties and all, my dad is there with me. Or mom is still there only for sure. Arey, gate khulla hai. Everything, it seems like it's 7 or 8 o'clock only. But because it's so bright, it's actually 1 o'clock. Shit. Chalo, I'm going to board the lift now. I will see you later. Or maybe I'll wait till I enter the lift. Oh, the lift is here. Hello, lift. And the messy mirror. Oh shit. देख के चला करो जीनिया. What are you doing? And the messy mirror, and I'm shining so much. Bling! And I've gone mad. And it's time for me to go home. Hello, hello, hello there. The pattern on my dress is super cute, and the mirror is very messy. So yes, I will see you later. Bye bye. Yay! So those were a few snippets from my prom, and I hope you enjoyed watching them. It was a great night, and I realized that I left you all on a cliffhanger. Unfortunately, I did not become prom queen, but experience alag tha. It was damn fun, and it was the first time I was returning home so late, and काफी सारे नए experiences हुए उस दिन. Overall, it was a great episode of my college life, and this is something that I'm always going to remember. So, yep, if you like the video, like it, share it with all your friends to help them rekindle their fond memories of college, prom, and events like these. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kar do, click on the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload new videos on my channel. And I am going to see you with more exciting episodes very soon. So until we meet, stay awesome, keep shining. Hasta la vista.